What's up, guys? So we're back with another video. This is our new lawnmower, the Cub Cadet. Now we're planning on starting our little kind of mowing business soon. And yeah, just so y'all know, I am a volunteer firefighter for Nagma, Georgia. So we're gonna lift this thing on up. And this is the gas can. This is the gas pump right here.
Gas tank.
And the gas tank, and this is the engine. Good look at that. And
where's our oil? What do you?
But that's our oil. And then we close that.
Have to slam it, but that's okay.
Then we're gonna come back here.
Oh,
Come to the seat, and this is the battery.
Not bad.
Now watch this. This is gonna look really cool.
Super cool.
Alright, so now this is our gear shift.
Well, that's for our blade deck. That's for our deck, right?
And over this side, this is the gas pedal, the reverse, and that's the brake over there. We're about to get this thing crunk up.
Oh, don't fall.
Y'all can ride with me.
There we go.
Give me the phone.
Let's get it crunk first.
Hold up, y'all.
We need to crunk up for y'all. Got the brake pushed. Malfunctions, everybody. Hold on. You got the brake pushed down all the way?
There you go. Sometimes stuff like this happens, y'all.
The lights came on.
Uh-oh, y'all.
Sometimes we just need a little assistance.
Yeah. Well, anyways, y'all.
Just need a little help from Dad.
Alright, guys, let's do this. So my dad's got it cranked up. We're about to hop on. Let's go backwards.